Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie. We're at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri, and we're going in for Cyclone Sam's. This is an indoor dark interactive ride, and we'll see it on 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, I'm in. Does this go backwards or forwards or both?
It goes backwards this way and forward this way.
So I'm going forwards?
You're going forward. She's going backwards.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you.
But when you're going forward, it kind of like lifts you up out your seat a little.
Okay, well that's fine. She does better backwards.
Are both of us well?
Okay. Yep. You're going backwards, Becky. You do better backwards than me. Better I don't get queasy. Oh boy. This might be worth the price of admission, Becky. What if she was fibbing? She might have been fibbing and I'm going backwards.
Thank you very much and enjoy your ride.
I hope not.
Yes, if you feel like you're getting naughty very, very easily, repeat. If you feel like you're getting naughty very easily, do not ride this ride. This ride spins very fast and will make you throw up if you get naughty easily. And I don't want to throw up. I don't want to pick up my throw up. So if you feel like you're going to throw up, raise your hand. Nobody? Alright.
Alright, we're giving it a go.
Clear.
Space training, Becky. Oh, I'm going backwards. Oh, here we go. She's speeding up. She's speeding up. Hold on to your cookies. Hold on to your cookies. Pulling a couple of G's here. 2.5 and she's a rockin' and rolling. We're in high seas, everybody. High seas. 60-foot seas. Woo! We're in the fishbowl. Somebody pulled the drain. Oh, mercy. Now we're in it. Now we're in it. We're pulling 4 G's. 4 G's and climbing. Okay, it's settling in. It's settling in. Oh, wow. like we're still spinning. Oh God. Oh boy. Just wait a second. Woo! How you feeling? Oh, they're gonna make me move. Uh-huh. All right. Woo! I'm just gonna sit for a second until it's time. Oh, mercy. Oh, God, I got everything. Yeah. Okay. Oh, good grief. There it is. That's a one ride, everybody. Get on there one time. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Had a great time. All right, everybody. So this barn right here, this is Cyclone Sam's, and I gotta say, definitely ride that thing. Just don't eat a lot right before you get on it.
No.
But it looks like it's like themed to like a Western ride, but in reality, it's more like getting on board a spaceship. Once you get inside, it lights up, it really twists you around. They've got some sound effects, wind effects. It's really a fun one. We had to wait for the full ride, and we could hear everybody screaming inside, and you can't see the ride. So if you don't know what to expect, it really ramps up the anticipation.
Definitely.
So how was backwards though? Becky had to go backwards. I got to go for it.
It was definitely intense for me, not knowing like what to expect. I mean, it really picks up in speed. I mean, there's some crazy fast.
How's your head?
It's a little bit
Like heavy almost or something?
Kinda.
I feel like I have a ring around the brain right now or something like that, but like
Still
I
kinda
wasn't
got
really
that.
dizzy is what's weird. Like it didn't really make me like have the spins. I just feel like all the blood is like
Pressure.
in my brain right now. But anyway,
Yeah.
had a great ride on that one. If you stuck with this long and you haven't subscribed yet, you watch our videos, please consider doing that. A big thank you to all our recent subscribers out there. We appreciate you. There'll be a lot more videos out. Worlds of fun here in Kansas City, Missouri, where we're covering the Halloween haunt, and there'll be some nighttime stuff too. So check those out on the channel, and we'll see you all soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.